Hello everyone, I am Ramesh Raju from R.K Agencies, Hyderabad. First of all, hi. I just wanted to speak to you guys about the advantages of using Ultratech Light AAC blocks. First of all, let's talk about why AAC is more beneficial than the normal traditional red brick. We have all advantages in extra light. Coming to the present scenario, where labor shortage is there and we need to speed up all the construction activity. AAC block is a very hassle-free technology and a very the time taking for a construction is speeding up massively by using AAC blocks. So when a customer thinks of AAC blocks, first of all, he should sit with the architect. In the steel design, he'll save money. Secondly, if he's giving a metal contract to any mason, there also he can save money, telling that he's using AAC block. So money is saved over there. Coming to the advantages of AAC, everything is an advantage. It's more strong than the normal red brick. It has more fire resistance. Even the noise pollution is very less. The thermal insulation is also very good. So everything is an advantage over there. So now I think a lot of people are moving to AAC only, and once a person uses AAC, he'll stick with AAC only. There are a lot of advantages to it. Next, we'll talk about the disadvantages of AAC. What are the people's perception of AAC? The main thing they complain is cracks. But I feel it's been almost 8-9 years we introduced AAC, I think. Through 8-9 years of experience, we have realized that it was the application of the block that was creating a problem rather than the block. There are a few technical precautions to be taken before applying AAC block. And the first primary thing is pre-wet the block. The second one is the one leveling the slab should be done in a conventional way only. The first putty the mason does. And wherever the block touches the concrete, it's better to use a mesh. And the final layer, leftover layer, should be done in a conventional way only. These are the few techniques to be used. And if the filling is proper, cracks is not at all an issue in AAC. The only one disadvantage that I believe is if a crack develops in AAC, because the joint space is very less, the crack expands. So that is one problem that I feel when you compare to the normal conventional way. Okay, now coming to why only Ultratech. For that, I think every customer should look into the video of the plant, the process of making AAC in Ultratech. It's a complete state-of-art automated plant, with very much labor involvement and employee involvement. It's so beautiful. The technology of the plant is from of Germany. It's a beautiful plant. When the labor involvement is less in any industry, the damage or any problematic things are very less. So in that way, Ultratech AAC block is much more superior to any other blocks manufactured by Chinese machinery. The production cost also for Ultratech is little higher because they use all quality products. And we get a very nice rough finish to it. So no need of any hacking for plastering. Yeah, coming to the logistics, Ultratech plant being in Hyderabad only, we supply in LCVs also, DCMs. And in Hyderabad trade network, I think 80% of the orders will be all in very small lanes where DCMs only go. So that is also a very big advantage. I only request the company to arrange for 2-point delivery, which would be a very, very big asset for us. I want to show you the Ultratech AAC block. As you see, this is a 4-inch block. This nice matte finish to it. Company emblem to it, extra light, so that it's not adulterated or some duplicate block is supplied. So when you go for plastering also, hacking is not required. Okay. I also want to thank all the staff of Ultratech, especially the marketing staff, for giving us a 1-week program of which size is available. So that has made our job very easy. I thank every one of you. Thank you. We can also talk of the services offered by Ultratech, the technical services. Technical engineer always is ready to go to the site and clear all the doubts of the customers, and even a mason is also trained by Ultratech, is ready to help. And they help us in converting them into ready blast and fixed block also. It's a win-win situation. So if a site, suppose a site engineer visits the site once in every 3 months like that, so crack issue and applications issues won't arise. And we having such a strong technical team is always an advantage to the customer. This is also an advantage.